What's up, people? This video is gonna be straight raw, no cap, no edits, no bullshit, no script, straight off the dome. I'm helping people fix their credit right now with 5 easy tips that you should do today to start your credit journey on a good road. I mean, I had people calling me, asking me, how did I fix my credit? If you see in my Instagram, you seen I was able to grow my points within over 90 points within 45 days. It's little tips and tricks that I learned. You know, knowledge is free, man. Just tap in. I'm giving away now because you can easily YouTube this, you can easily Google this. But I'm giving away on my channel. Just like, subscribe, show me some love. I'm gonna show people how to grow their credit score within the next 90 days. And if your credit score is lacking, if you're low on credit or it's not where you want it to be, chances are you have some negative items on your report. And I have these 2 laws that can wipe them within the next 90 days. That's what I said. It's going to wipe them within the next 90 days. Let's get them stinky things off your credit report. Let go. So the first law, number one, yeah. Yep. Y'all ready for this one? Yeah, this some sauce, baby. This some sauce. Secret sauce on Instagram. You already know this is some sauce. But the first law. Wait, hold on. Let me get drink water. Hold on. Because this is a law. I'm not a lawyer, but this is a law that they have to get this off your report. Get it out of here. Get it out of here. All right, here we go. All right, the first law that you're going to use is the 15 USC 1681 EB. You heard me? I'm gonna drop it in this video. It's gonna be somewhere on this screen. I don't know where I'm gonna put it in yet, but maybe right there, maybe somewhere right there. But I'm gonna drop the law. Just in case you didn't hear it, I'm gonna say it one more time. 15 USC 1681 EB. That's the law you're gonna use to wipe it off your credit, right? Then the second one we're gonna come up to is 15 USC 1681 I5. And I'm gonna drop that somewhere where the first one ain't. Let's go.